Thea's puppies. Little Cavapoo puppies. They're not quite a month old yet. Puppies! Puppy puppies! Puppy puppies! Come on, puppies. Oh, now they're starting to explore just a little bit. Let's see, these little fellows are almost 3 weeks old, I believe. Say bye-bye, puppies. Puppy puppies. Puppy puppy puppies. Hi, fella. Ah, this is a sweet baby. Hi there. Bye-bye, babies.